Today we're going to be making a one pot creamy chicken using our simple Wholesome packet. So from here we've just got some chicken breast, onion, green beans, chicken stock, chili, garlic, and we've also got some spinach. We also made up some pasta just before. Let's get into it. To begin with, you just need to grab 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Make sure you measure it out. From there that goes straight in, and we're chucking the chicken breast in with that as well. Boos. From here, we're just going to seal the chicken up. As soon as it's sealed, we're going to chuck in the onion, the garlic, and the chili. All right, now that the chicken's sealed off, we're just going to chuck in our chili and our garlic. With that as well, we're also going to chuck in our onion. Once the onion's cooked all the way through, we're just going to add our sauce, and we're going to add a cup of the chicken stock as well. And finally, we're just going to add all our beans in as well. All right, from here, we're just going to add 3 cups of pasta. So just grab your measuring cup out, and it keeps our carb servings nice and even. A little bit of mixed herbs, and just a light squeeze of lemon. The final step is just chucking in half a cup of parmesan cheese. Quickly stir it through, and then you're ready to serve. And there you have it, one pot chicken, super delicious, super simple to make, and not a bad option for your dinner. Be sure to check out the macros below.